a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 to 3 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is likely occurring or will begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Kannapolis, downtown Concord, Salisbury, China Grove, Spencer, Landis, Amityville, Granite Quarry, Rockwell, and Mount Pleasant. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered roadways, bridges, or low-level crossings. Only a few inches of rapidly flowing water can carry away your vehicle. It is not worth the risk. Please turn around, don't drown. When it is safe to do so, please report flood waters or landslides flowing over roads or threatening property to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101, by posting on our Facebook page, or via Twitter using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred, including roadways, nearby cross streets, stream names, and other landmarks.